Здравствуйте, дорогие студенты. Hello, dear students. Today this video lecture will be about how to do laboratory work number 6. Laboratory number 6 will be as continue of laboratory number 5, where you have learned firstly about internal tables in not just tables in ABAP mini sub and sub, standard tables from database, how to create them, how to work them, like insert, modify, update, delete. Lab-06 is to repeat this process and learn something new about RadioButtons, how to use RadioButtons in ABAP. So first, you have in your laboratory number 5 this theory informations, chapter 4 about access to database. You should start it from chapter number 4, how to use domain, element of data, and etc. At first you need to run transaction SE11. Please run your ABAP mini sub right here SE1. If it doesn't run, you need to return to main catalog. Yes, press arrow 1, and here is the main tree catalog. You can write SE11, so write it. First, when we create a table, we should create domain, then data type, then database. So this process in 3 steps. Start from domain. The name of this domain is these two hashtags as your ID number. We can create 00 char 30. So, and press number button create. So here you should write data type char, so it will be character. The size of this domain is 30. In short text you should write students on new domain, but it's about laboratory number 5. This lecture about laboratory number 6. And in your task, you should create not 2 tables, create 3 tables about employee in some imagined company. You need to use everyone your unique company. For example, some of you select taxis, taxa park, taxi service company. Somebody wash cleaning, chemical clinic, dentist company, the store of drugstore, or different companies, coffee shop machine, coffee company, cafe, like restaurant, etc., etc. You just select your unique company. You need connect them, these 3 tables, via key fields. You should use 2 foreign keys in main table. So main table has connection with 2 secondary tables. So main the table from text file with command modify. So you need to some data from text file. Then you need to open this with RadioButtons. These 6 options: read file, printl, insert, update, modify, and delete. After each operation, you need to use these programs. You need to this int, update, modify. You need to print table. So after each operation, you should show what modifications, what was edited in table. Add to printl information about average server and age. Yes. Upload doc file with source code and screenshots. Each screenshot for every operations, and that's it for your laboratory work 6. So for this laboratory work 6, we will create these 3 tables. Okay. So here I will create the short text, just my 00 new domain, char 3, decimal places 0, output length 30, and we need to save it and activate it. So remember, after every save operation, you need to activate it. It's very important. It's a very frequently mistake which students make in this laboratory. So just save. When you make save, you should use $TMP, where you should save it, and activate. So here activate, Control F3, Control plus F3. So object activated. You have activated your new domain. So back, and the next step we should new data type. ZI00 yen chart 30 and create. Here is a data element. Again, so here we write my 00 new data element. Here is the I00 char 30. So here we make a reference to previous created domain char 30. You should write the name rightly, so please check it. If you press enter, and if your domain was successfully activated, you will give this new it will take this data from domain. Remember, our description is mine 00 new domain, so everything is okay, seems okay. Then we should to select the description of field label, and in field label we need to put this information. So when it's short length, we just title. Title of person is it was in laboratory number 5. It was about bachelor, master degree, and PhD. I selected my company will be cafe. So I just write position. When it's 22, it's about position of person. Должность сотрудника, да, или человека, персоны. So we just did, and again, save and activate it. Remember, activate. So first we save it. The open class should be $TMP and save it. Activate it. So here object activated, we have created successfully data element. So back to this menu. The next step, create the table, database table. And in our case in Lab-06 it will be the position. So database, the I is 0, position. And we create in description we write position table. Then delivery class A, table maintains allowed, this should you put, and everything done. So free the description, delivery class A, and put here the mark, table maintains allowed. It's a little bit different from guide instructions, and no, logically you can find the solution. If not, it will be trouble for you. Okay, so switch to this, to the fields. Okay, so first we should write the first field position. Position. Field type. And the field type, the I 00 yen char 30. Is your data element successfully was activated after saving operation? So when you press enter, all this data will be get from this short description we'll get from data element. Also, this is a key field, and then we should go to the technical parameters and setup. It's here, technical settings, save. Yes, in technical save, data class APL0, size category 0, and this is save it. Back to the server. Here we should write some data, like default data. So we go to utilities and table contents and create entities. So here utilities, table contents, create entities. We should activate it, sorry, activate it. Sorry, position is not good word. We should pause it. Okay, pause. and object activate. So the word position was predefined by system and we couldn't use it. Remember this. Then we go utilities, table contents, create entities, and we write about 3 positions, maybe 4. Okay, 4 positions. First position will be cashier. We saved it. Then new security, manager, supervisor, cleaner. I think it's enough. Then we back and we can check it. How we can check it? Utilities, table contents, display. Display, and here is our positions: cashier, cleaner, manager, security, supervisor. So we have 5 of them, 5 positions in our cafe. Actually, yeah, it's enough. So we have created the first table. We need to create one more. In laboratory number 5, next will be the main table. It's not title, it will be about person, and that's it. Okay, second, what we can maybe, okay, the next table will be about salary. So back, salary, so salary, create, what we can do, title table, salary table, delivery class A, table maintenance, load, salary, key field, the 00. Okay, so save it, activate it. Actually, technical settings, RPL 0, size 0, save it, back, save it, activate it, utilities, table contents, create entities, salary will be per month, so about 600, 900, 1100, and maybe so. Go back and we can check it. Wait, sorry, misclick. So we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 options of salary actually. Okay, and we should create this the number 3 person. So okay, person, create person table, direct request A, table maintenance, fields. So person Нет, я запись делаю. Так, excuse me, it was pause. We just modified the person table. We add the required field for laboratory things age, and by this utility table contained create entities, we just filled with 3 employees: Bob, Mike, Katie. This person table is main table. We have this foreign keys for process for position table, server for server table. Everything okay with this technical setting is the same as for position and salary. Everything is similar, only 2 foreign keys and what data we have added. So and finally we created these tables, 3 tables connected to each other, as you can see here. They are connected. Or if we go create entities, so if we go here we can select position. So we go to position, salary. Okay, so next steps. We should write the program code. Let's go here. Programs. I have created the lab number 6. So we change over here. In lab number 6 we have already some codes, radio forms, samples. We could open it. It's about RadioButtons. We can copy and again copy from host system to virtual is can do by this общий буфер обмена or drag and drop, but this we need this. Okay, so we put it. Check for errors, no errors, save it, activate it and run. Okay, we can select if we print table high, if updated high, if inserted high. So for here we used subroutines. Subroutines means we can write some code, and if we don't need to repeat it, we just can code. It's some way like function or procedure, no, but little bit different. Just repeat some part of code in code. you declare it by the form board, the name of this block of code, write some code and end form. And if you want to call it, just use perform, like execute, and that's it. You should start your program from this, begin from this. How to get information from this table? We can go to laboratory number 5, and here we have sample. Sorry, do we have sample insert? Yes, we have sample insert. So here we need to write some information. Let's take it. Parameters, options. So we have our ZI person, data record ZI person, parameters ZI person ID, ZI person name, ZI person last name, ZI person position, and it's not the end. PA, it's what is PA? Parameters, the name of parameter. Okay, so PA H type ZI00 person H, and we have of salary, salary type ZI00 person salary. I think we should to change as it in table, so position salary H. Okay, then record ID person ID, record name name, last name, last name, title, position, post, and record salary per salary, record age per age. So we have insert and insert in the person values records, select in the table ID persons, so we use it ID persons, okay. Так, it persons into record name, record last name, record post, record salary, record age. Okay, save, check for mistake. We have mistake. P last name. Okay, so too long, last n will be last n. Salary, okay, so will be so. The person's salary is wise. Really? Salary. Salary. Say zeros. Why it's unknown? Sorry. So activate it and run. So we have already 3 numbers there. We add Paul Anderson, position manager, salary this, age 33, 35, and execute. So now we have these 4 persons: Anderson manager, and etc. Okay, so here is the example how we inserted the person. Let's it do that when it's selected insert, exactly insert, we should this write data color, select from the print result. We took this print result and put it in here, print. Let's call it print result print all records from table 0 person. Okay, so here the select, right, loop, right, and loop. So we not print all, and we should change everything. Print all, print all. And where we insert, we just make this insert. So where insert, So check on errors. Here we don't have errors. Activate it, run it, and number 5, the name Joan, filler, position security, salary, security, age 32, insert, which have selected insert, then execute. Now we have that inserted this data, and we entered the fifth employee, Joan. Here is the start. Now in order to complete laboratory number 6, you need create another all operations like print already we done, insert we already done. You have to complete update, modify, delete, and also add to print all information this average, salary, and age. We have done it in laboratory number 4. How about read file and print all? No, read file we actually have done before, but okay, to like we can do it again. How we feel? No, we have done when we read text data and insert data into internal tables. So how take this file from text file and put it in just tables, database tables. Okay, why not? We should add one more options. No, we shouldn't. We have this read file. So read file, we actually had this read file. Let's to check. So this read file, we should just take it. So let's take this information, copy, and put here. So it's read file and start. So from inputs text, yes, we start data, write it, whoop at all, write at all, split, ID, age, salary, position, work time, modify, and perform read all. Okay. We should know. We shouldn't. So 8 persons, data 8 persons. Open all customers. We have open IT persons. So we have IT persons. Right. Oh, customer. Oh, customers. Why we need to write it? Right. Oh, customer. Our customer, it's our string. Okay. Oh, but ID persons. Sorry. Oh, okay. It will be our customer. No. Okay, change it to persons. Okay, persons. All persons. It's our where we aggregate or collect all person information, text information. Read into all persons, append to all persons, loop at ID, right, all customer, print file, all customer, split into, and this is the ID str. We need this str, so go here and buffer strings. We need them. These buffer strings. It should be str ID, name, last name. H should be at the end. Position and salary. No, post should be just post. Salary. Okay. And we should split it. ID, name, last name, position, salary, H. Have done it, and modify our ZI person ID. Am I right? Person ID. Person ID. ZI 0. Person name. Person last name. H. Position name, salary. Person. position salary H, modify save, write read file, perform print all. Oh, person like Esther occurs. Okay, Esther is unknown. Why Esther is unknown? Because here main string, just string, main string can do here. The right person is unknown. Why it's unknown? Person ID, person ID. Maybe it should IT persons. Really? IT person. No, here is the person ID, the I person. The I person. The I zero person, person ID. What? How can be it? From the I person into table ID person. The I person. Person. Мы не объявили таблицу нашу. То, что у нас есть вот эта персона, он и ругается. Что за таблица? Вот, сохраняем. И ошибок нету. Теперь у нас есть, если мы на read файл напишем, он считает. Но у нас, если вы помните, там какой путь? Путь был c-input.txt. Здесь пишем, да? Вот, input. Вот он наш. Можем все выделить, кроме инпута. И удалить. Так, в инпуте ничего такого нормального нету. Так. Read from file to text. А где сами данные? Ну ладно, там через пробел же. У нас 5 сотрудников есть, 6, да? Потом имя. Ну, Дэйв, да? Фамилия. Гора. Потом что у нас? Позиция, да? Давайте, ладно, кэшир. Потом зарплата 1100. И возраст. И возраст 26. Еще можем 0,7. Генри, да, Генри. Форд. Менеджер. 2358. Все вот это сохраняем. И запускаем. Выбираем read файл. Вот здесь input и запускаем. И вот у нас появились 6-й Дэйв и 7-й Генри. Вот такой результат. Все это работает. Теперь мы почти, я вам все показал, как здесь делается считать файла. Вывод, insert. Вам осталось сделать только update, modify и delete. Но еще можете сделать all delete, то есть очистить всю базу чтобы чисто из текстового записывать. Ну и самое, мы уже делали вот это средняя зарплата и возраст. Все, на этом спасибо. Как раз вот 50 минут прошло. Lecture is over. We had almost done the most part of laboratory number 6. The name of this laboratory is tables and files in ABAP, especially these database tables. We learn how to create them, how to connect tables with foreign keys, and etc. So thank you for your attention. If you have questions, please contact me by email, WhatsApp, or other channels. Thank you.